Hello everybody, this is South Carolina Amendment News. How you doing? Nice to see you. I believe it's the 5th of June. Yeah, 5th of June. Or excuse me, 3rd of June. My bad. 3rd of June. Soon to be 4th of June. Anyways, on a side thing, this isn't a audit. It's more about Johnny Depp and the Amber Heard trial, and then afterwards with Amber's lawyer Elaine. Of course, there's a plane overhead always, but I just wanted to say that I watched the trial as much as I could. I didn't get to watch from the very beginning, but I watched as many clips as I could, and you know, I never knew about all the stuff, so I looked at it as a juror, and from all the information I saw, Amber Heard is a liar, and she got found out and all the evidence was against her. And I really do believe that when the cops came over the first time, nothing was wrong, and then they set up the apartment and everything, and that story was true. And I don't believe she should have got that, because it couldn't be proven, so that's why she won that. Because she did it. Everybody knows she did it. Set him up, and she accused him falsely of raping her and beating on her. And if he had beaten on her as badly as she says he did, and he's always wearing those rings, because I looked at the rings he had, those some big ass rings, and it would have did a lot of major damage, more than what she claimed. And then at the end of it, her last testimony was that she put in that bed because of him, and she literally said it herself. So it wasn't the people coming into the court, it wasn't the media, it wasn't anything else like Elaine's been saying on the TV shows. And she was the funny thing is, she was like 2 or 3 people she was talking about getting the 15 minutes of fame, but yet she goes on the talk shows and she does the exact same thing, getting her 15 minutes. So she was doing the exact same thing that she accused other people of doing. Go figure. But anyways, I think that was pretty messed up what she did. Talking about Amber Heard as a victim and all that. No, she's not. It was proven with facts and evidence that she lied. Why fight it? Because, to be honest, they try to appeal and everything, more information will come out, and it'd be a lot worse for Amber, and then she will definitely lose, because more information of her, what she does and everything, privacy and everything will come out, and more information about other things will come out, because, she's telling a lie. I know that she's lying, and I didn't really follow Johnny Depp or anything, stuff like that. I didn't hardly watch the movies except Pirates of the Caribbean, but I like pirates, so that's one reason why I watched it. But and I didn't watch Aquaman because of Amber. I watched it because of I like Aquaman, although Spider-Man is my favorite. But anyways, she got busted, and from what I understand, in the UK it was just the judge making a decision, which I thought was pretty wrong. But here they had 7 people that all agreed that Amber was wrong, and it's just bull, and then still talking about that Johnny lied and everything. And then Elaine said that they had all this medical records and everything. No, you didn't, because if you did, you would have put him in court. You would have showed him. You didn't have any evidence showing that she had, she could have put self-cuts, she could have had those there. She could have painted them there. Just like that bruise kit that she talked about, and she let that slip out, and it was proven on TikTok and other stuff that, that could be faked. And I saw it, and I believe that, because makeup artists can do whatever as far as making bruises or not make bruises or whatever. And I believe that was what happened. And they set Johnny up, to make him look like an abuser. And then now she's got this sexual abuse and everything. Come on, man. Really? That is so stupid. Very, very stupid. You know, Amber Heard got called out for being a liar and being abusive and apparently obsessive because she can't let it go. You know, and I'm sure, from what I read, she's got all these houses, different places. If she can't pay the thing, sell your houses. You know, you lost, plain and simple, because the truth came out. And then people want to still cover for you and say that Johnny's this, that, and the other. Why? Why do you want to do? You could get in trouble for that because it's defaming somebody. It's talking about somebody. It's defamation, and you could be sued for that. Like being on these talk shows and the one where Elaine was there and it was a lady. I don't know her name, but she was wearing the yellow dress. Talking. Instigating everything. About Johnny, and it was proven with facts. And Elaine didn't bother saying that it was proven with facts that Johnny did not do these things. And people were on his side, of course, because they're telling the truth. The one TMZ guy wasn't on her side, or his side. He told the truth. And the guy at the Hicksville place, whatever it was, he told the truth about what happened. And they wanted to try and push it under the rug. And that's why TMZ came there, because that way they wouldn't have the testimony in there and prove that she was wrong. Because they didn't want the truth to come out. I'm talking about Amber's side. And it's just wrong, But she could sell her houses and get that money, and pay him. Which, if he gets basically 10.4 million and she gets 2, you deduct the 2 from the 10.4 and he gets 8.4, she could pay that. If she can pay lawyers, she can pay that. She's got more money than what she's leading on. I believe so, that she has more money. But it's stupid. Why you want to keep bothering the man? Just let it go. Go to something else. Leave it alone. It's just a constant thing. The man won, and it was proven that he was abused. She's an abuser, and she abuses her ex, and all that stuff will come out in the next trial. If you try to appeal, it will come out. Other things will come out, like your past at high school. I'm talking about Amber. About what happened there, and other things that you don't want to come out. So you might as well just let it go and move on, and just cut your losses and leave. As far as to Amber, you screwed yourself. You totally screwed yourself with this. If you hadn't lied to begin with, you wouldn't be going through all this, and you wouldn't be found out to be a liar. And to say that you're sorry to people, you should be sorry because you're guilty. You tried to ruin somebody's life. That takes a despicable person to do that. To me, you're a narcissistic psychopath, and you just cannot let it go. If you want to sue me, go for it. You ain't gonna get anything because I ain't got anything. So go ahead and try. I'm just telling the truth. So you want to try and sue me, go for it. I ain't got no money. I ain't even got nothing to my name. So go for it. I dare you. I'll call you out on everything. Don't even try, because you'll lose. And I'll tell everybody, yeah, I said that. And I meant what I said too. because everything I saw, all the evidence and everything, there's no possible way that you could have a broken nose and go to a show the next night. Come on, really? As much as you say that he beat on you and everything, come on. You know, you're not as innocent as you think you are. You know, to say you're this, that, and other, and then people want to believe you? Come on, really? Come on. That's just a joke. You know, it's a total joke. But anyways, the way I feel about it, I'm glad he won because the truth came out, and I hope that he can get on with his life. Which I'm pretty sure he's accepted it, but he wanted to come out, and I think that he's happy about that just for that reason alone. I don't think he really cares if you won anything or not. He just wanted the truth to come out, and it did, and that's why you lost. And he won every point because it was a jury, 7 people. That's who decided this, not media, not whatever, because the jurors didn't see anything outside. I'm sure of that. So you can't say it was media and everything. You're going around defaming everybody, and I'm talking about Elaine, whatever her name is, last name is, I don't care. But going around telling everybody that, he did this, and the media this, and people that, and da 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 da. Whatever. Get over it. You're done. Get over it. I don't even believe you're going to have an appeal. They'll deny it because of, she won part of it, so why keep fighting? She won the part about couldn't be able to prove that the, whatever defamation, thing about the apartment getting messed up. You won that part. You got $2 million from it. Of course, you ain't going to get any money because you owe that. So if you deduct the $2 million from that, you still got to pay 8.4. You're just mad because you got to pay money to him. And actually, you have to pay more to him than he does to you, or did to you, which he probably paid more than that. I think. I don't remember because the UK trial, and the thing about UK is that, for one, they suppressed information that should have been in there for Johnny Depp, but it wasn't. It was suppressed. So he really couldn't defend himself. It was just her saying this, that, and the other to the judge, and they believe it, And she was caught in lies, and they showed video of her lying. And then when she said about leaking to TMZ or whatever it was, she covered her mouth, like, oh, and then tried to, throw her hair back or whatever. You can see right there she was lying. That proves it right there. And at the end of the trial with Johnny Depp, the last part about, the being on his trial, on the stand the second time, she said at the end of it that because Johnny had connections and he was a powerful person and everything, that's why she wrote the story. Boom, right there. She gave herself, she told on herself. And there's other things that she did, and just like, she was sitting on the stand and had the handkerchief and, snorting something. I believe she was snorting cocaine, and then they showed one part where she was taking a pill, and, it could have been a pill, it could have been an acid paper, who knows. But anyways, that's my rant on it, and I just think Amber just needs to drop the case and just leave it alone. And I know they won't, because they're going to keep trying and trying and trying. And they're going to keep trying to say Johnny did this and that and the other. And they're just full of it. It's just a bunch of crap. And it needs to stop. You need to just give up and go about your business. And I'm saying that to Amber and her lawyers. You need to just give up, because you're not going to win. It's going to be worse. And then she'll be paying more. And plus, Elaine could be sued for, slander, defamation, other stuff, you know, going on TVs. And you talk about people getting their 15 minutes, but yet you do the same thing? Come on. You know, that's kind of two-faced, right? Come on. Anyways, this is my rant about Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial. You know, and I'm all for it, justice for Johnny all the way. Because the truth came out, and I didn't know who did what or whatever. So I looked at it as a juror, and I feel that it was fair judgment, and I know that with the room and everything, they couldn't prove it, so she won that one, and she had lost the other two, which in my book, it was a fair trial. Facts and evidence came out. You can't deny that. Johnny Depp had some good lawyers, and they knew what they were doing, and they did it correctly, and they exposed Amber for the liar that she is. And that's the way I feel about it. And Johnny Depp might have been an alcoholic and drug user, but that doesn't make him a abuser or a rapist like she was starting to claim now. What else is going to come? That he's a child molester. Like, they're going to start saying that now? And then one last thing is that Elaine was talking on the shows about having medical evidence or medical record evidence. But they didn't suppress it. They didn't have anything to put in there. How can they suppress something they don't have? It was proven. So, it's just, I could say a lot, and I would say it to the face, flat out. I would say it to the face if given the chance. But I would call him a liar to the face and explain how I feel if I had the chance. But anyways, everybody have a good evening, and hopefully soon I'll be able to do some video. And I want to do one. I have a documentary I want to do of Four Corners of Law, and I'm in the process of getting it going, and it'll probably be a 4 or 5 part video, different times or something, because I have to do each one and talk about each one, stuff like that. And I might be able to do 2 of them, who knows, we'll have to see. But I'm going to do a story on the Four Corners of Law in the marketplace downtown, and some other stuff down there if I can. But if you like my videos, subscribe, like, tell people about it, about my channel, help me get some viewers. I don't make money off my videos, and even if I could, I probably wouldn't do it, because you have to have standards for this and that and the other. So I would just do it, just do it, because I'm not going to go through all that crap of having, because I can't always do videos, so, and put them out when I need to. Of course, you can tell, but I hope everybody that watched the trial enjoyed this video. And I have a few other things to say about them, but I'm going to be nice. But if I get to say it in front of them, I will. But everybody have a good day. Everybody have a good day. Be safe. South Carolina Amendment News. Later.